All right, all right, all right, all right. We're going to set up a loyalty program here. Now, we're not actually going to be able to execute it because they want I think $45 a month for it. You get 1 month free, but you got to put your credit card down for it. So we're not going to actually carry through on this. Unfortunately, we'll find a way to simulate this in the class project here. But I just want you to see some of the power of a point of sale system. Because remember, this is an interface between your customers, your production people, your service people, and then all the inventory and all that stuff. This is all linked together through this. They all come together in this one point here. Such an important system. So, Jeannie, let's go ahead and get started and show them how to go. We're on our dashboard, correct?
That's correct. You're in your square dashboard.
Okay, good.
Over here on the left side of the dashboard, we're going to scroll down until we get to marketing and loyalty. We're going to click on marketing and loyalty and then come over here and click on loyalty. So it's going to let us customize our loyalty program. It wants to know, do we want to give the loyalty rewards based on points or stars?
Or you can customize it too. Yeah, I forget how you would customize it, but it doesn't matter because we're just going to do this simple. We're going to do on points.
Okay, so points is highlighted. Going to go up here on the upper right and click next. All right, now it's asking us to select a program type. They suggest based on the amount spent. They're suggesting they put in here every time the customer spends $1, they would earn a point. It could also be visit based or item based or category based, but to keep it simple, we're going to keep it
we could be running a loyalty promotion on some specialty item we have. You know, let's say our chicken wings or our specialty.
That would be an item based.
Yeah, that would be an item based one, and we would create something around that. But we're just going to go total spend.
Okay. Every time they spend $1.
Every time they spend $1.
All right. So then we go upper right next. And we're going to set up the reward type to create up to 15 rewards your customers can earn. So reward 1, let's go to the pull down menu here. So we're going to give a discount on an entire sale, a discount on item in specific categories, discount on specific items, or a free item. They suggest a discount on the entire sale.
Yeah, it's the simplest thing. But look at these. You can create these different kinds of programs here. And it depends on what gets people excited. You know, you could link it to an event of some kind. If you're running, you're a sports bar, for example, and you're running special events, maybe sports trivia nights and that kind of stuff. You can have it all linked in through there for the later programs. You can set up wherever you want. But let's just keep it simple, and we're going to give them a discount on the entire portion of their bill.
Okay, so now it's asking, do we want to give a percentage or a dollar amount, and how many points do they need to get the reward?
So we're going to give them $10 off their bill every time they reach 100 points.
Okay, we have everything clicked, and you can see here the reward display will be $10 off entire sale.
Yeah, and you can set that. I mean, listen, that's actually giving people a 10% discount, really, but because it's $10 off of 100 points, which is $100. So you can do this wherever you want. Set it higher, or I wouldn't go any lower on the points, but that'll set up a discount program for you. Builds loyalty. People love this kind of stuff.
Okay, we're going to go to the next. All right, now is where we're going to not go any further because they want us to review and subscribe. So we have one location selected, Stockton University, and then estimated monthly total they're saying is going to cost us, the restaurant, $45.
Now, the thing is, if you had several outlets, several restaurants here, that people could go to, you could set this up so that it would be, company-wide. So they spend $10 in any of the 100 points at any of the restaurants, they get $10 off on a meal in any of the others, So
and let me show how the pricing works. Should we show them that?
Yeah.
Okay.
In case they really are into this, and they said I'd like to spend $45 a month.
Well, that'll get you up to 500 loyalty visits. If you're a bigger company and you have between 501 to 1,500, it's going to cost $75. And so on. If you got more than 10,000 loyalty visits, you've got to contact sales.
So listen, this is not cheap. So you can't use this lightly. But again, uh, we want we're trying to teach you how to use a point of sale system to give you a competitive advantage, so that when you go to work, if you're working in a food or a beverage operation, you know how to do this.
Okay, and then we're going to click finish. And that's it.
All right. See you in the next video.